no longer in Hull. I don't know where we are. It's 6:30 in the morning, I think. Rotterdam time, anyway. I have not slept well, so this does not bode well. Yay. Cabin life. But I think breakfast is half an hour away. This is day 1, I guess. And yeah, we'll be heading through Belgium. Well, the Netherlands, obviously. Belgium, France, Luxembourg, France, and then into Germany. It's gonna kill me, but you gotta do it.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. It is now 7 o'clock local time. The full breakfast is being served in the kitchen, the Federal restaurant on deck 8, and also in the brasserie on deck 9.
Woo! Here we go, Rotterdam. I don't know what the speed limit is. Oh my god, this is it. This is it. Here we are in the Netherlands. This is nuts. I can't believe I'm here. I'm now the sat-nav's slave. Ferry was alright, didn't get that much sleep, but yeah, now we're off. We'll make some ground. Remember to stay on the right side of the road, hey? Oh my god, the amount of times I've been told that. I'm just gonna follow the rest of the lost people for now. But this is crazy. This is so cool. This is it. This is where it starts, baby. And hopefully not where it finishes. Oh, it's crazy seeing 3 digits on the dash. Everything's in kilometers. This is gonna fuck with my head. So this is probably another boring section of the trip, because it's just gonna be miles of motorway until we get to like just past Nancy. Right, anyway, I'll speak to you in a bit, because it's just miles of this. Be one of the most picturesque highways. Fucking hell, wet. Oh, here we go. Fucking hell. What was I saying about it being picturesque? It's kind of nice to be fair. Oh, that is some rain. And just like that, it was gone. Brilliant. Oh my god. Talk about a cloudburst or something. That was sick. Look at me doing European things. Absolutely fucking winging it. Don't know what I'm doing. I just said hello to the police. Didn't realise they were coppers. You know, the massive blue outfits might have had something to do with it. What a fucking tool. It's alright. Just being nice. Just being a nice person. Whee! Probably don't need this sat nav anymore because I kind of know where I'm going now. But foreign country and all that. Oh, hello. Wines. I keep forgetting 50 is not 50. 50 is a 30. Everything's in kilometres. It's still messing with me. Look at this little guy. Little robot guy. Right, I'm turning here, aren't I? I need to concentrate. Pharmacy. I remember that. I've street viewed this road. Right. Isn't this fun? All these road signs. Right, who's going where? You're right, I'm off. Bye all. Try not to mow down some pedestrians and all that jazz. This is sick! I did it! I'm here! Kind of here. I've got like 2 hours to go until Freiburg, but what time are we now? 20 to 5. So I'm not going to be there till gone 6, and I'm not going to be out until like 8. Can I go? Yes, this is just a road, isn't it? Just holding up traffic, sorry guys. Wow, it is stunning up here. I don't even think this is the good bit either. This is just, it's just your average Joe. Bloody cold now though. I'm gonna need my other gloves at this rate. Meters up, and it's slippy. It's fucking amazing. I'm so glad I factored this part into the trip, because how can you miss this road? Don't end up down there. Would be my suggestion. If anyone cares, I got Bridgestone T32 tyres on before this trip. Yeah, I can recommend them because fucking hell, they've done well today. Sat nav's thinking 1 hour 35 to the hotel. Not bad. It's 5 o'clock now. What a day. I mean, it has just been mostly motorways, but this is kind of making up for it. This is stunning. Oh, shit. Fucking amazing. Oh my god. Oh my god. I take back everything I've ever said about France. Not all of it. Jesus, you people just get on the right side of the bloody road. Oh my god, this road. More like it, isn't it? More temporary lights. I like the little countdown they've got there. 1 minute left. It is wet. Premier in, got a couch, won't be needing it. Fucking get me in that bed. German TV, tiny kettle, massive mirror, bathroom's in here, looks pretty fucking sweet.